Ohene a owo Afienya nene tete afutu a otoso miensa Mobole hene nene tete a otoso miensa ena afeinso Mobole assembly member Jonas Tete Ugbenya won abo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama basu ye pa se dodo wa Afienya ena dowenya kwan no mfidie guso a wo yeso adwuma wo susu se ebema mpuntu aba honum ye pa afeinso adwadie nso ebefa ne tomapa efra
Ohimpon ya wono ena wo Afienya na Afenso ye Mobole ye no ewo nkrakudem ha edensema ko ediamagana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ese any big push agenda wodi aba wo hwe esen kwantenkwan hodo a ewo ye manyi emu no behwe no wadi ni na hu dwuma no wo jese bebo ye pa mo man Ghana ya koni abede hu nsem betimagyan na so ye pa ni titiriu ene dowenya Afienya na Afenso ye dodo wakwan a woguso a wo ye ne bebo ye pa ama eho no mudwumadi betimagyan na so ye pa na Afenso edwede hu nsem so atimi akonanim ensem sei ena wo himpon ya wono no ewo Afienya eye nene tete afutu ya wotoso miensa edito kantanka kwansosem enim
the big push the way Mobole dodo wa Afia donya one number 1 in the any first people are the one commission say obey road no until me kakra rombe start here na some special be one special be a goddess at both ends got a heart in her until one start back about 2.5 miles from Afia.
Yakasan wechino ena nene tete kwojo ya wotoso miense ya wono so ye ohimpon ya wo Mobole enso edi ensem sei eka ho.
This is the big push of His Excellency policy that he has brought to Ghana, and we are all witnesses to the inauguration at Afienya. After the inauguration, they honestly started their work. The contractor came to site, preparations were done, and a huge majority of the volumes of gravels that you see on this road are from my community, this community. And in fact, whatever they are doing and how they started the work with the construction of the culverts, we are very much happy.
Ne krakremu no ena assembly member ya wodi ni dwuma Mobole eyo ni monyamfo Jonas Tete Ugbenya enso edi ensem sei etwato.
Mse kwan ya fi ha eko dodowa to dowenya no asai ache enye nekra ya pimpim so a montumi ambe ya man ba endi sadaroma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because of a big push no or the edmana base eden omunye ekwana mai ntino so hu no ha ekwan no na amuguso omuye no